Oh, you don't know how to make a quick and easy seafood boil?
We can make that.
Yeah, I switched it up a little bit on this one, y'all. I added that lobster, broccoli. Oh, my good. Let me show you how to make it. Get 5 quarts of water, right? Then we're going to hit it with some garlic, some lemon. We're going to hit it with that Louisiana fish fry Cajun fire. Mix everything in. We're going to add our corn first. And then after we add our corn, we're going to cover it for about 15 minutes. I added some seafood butter, and I also added some orange pepper. Oh, my goodness. Also added some Old Bay here. Because you know you got to obey that thing. You know what I'm saying? Obey it. You get it? All right, that was trash. All right, anyway, mix that thing up, right? You want to hit that thing with a secret ingredient. That's some Old English, but I ain't have none, so I just use some Modelo. But trust me, that Old English is going to bring that boil to another level. And I don't know if I told y'all, but get that concentrate too, that seafood boil concentrate. Now, we're going to take our corn out, and we're going to add our potatoes in. You feel me? Yes, sir. These is petite red potatoes. So to be honest, they don't take that long to be done. But you just go in there, and once they fork tender, you want to take them things out. Rest it to the side. We're going to put our broccoli in here for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how soft you do like your broccoli. But yeah, once your broccoli is done, take it out, set it to the side with the corn and the potatoes and everything else. And then we're going to work on them eggs. Me, I get about maybe 10 eggs, and I boil them things for about 15 minutes on, I'll say, high to medium high. Now, I just do it on high, 15 minutes, take it out, and set those to the side. Actually put those in a ice bath. So you want to get an ice bath. You want to do something like this. Most people just fill it up with ice and then add the water after. But you want to have it to enough ice to where, you know, it's going to do its job. Okay, now we finna sear our scallops. So I'm going to hit a pan with some grass of olive oil. And then I'm going to make sure it's nice and hot. So when them things go on, you should see the steam. You should hear that sizzle. If you don't hear the sizzle, man, the pan is not hot enough, all right? So sear those for about, I say, 4 to 5 minutes, not too much. You don't want to overcook the scallops. Make sure they get nice and brown like me. Hit it with some butter. Make sure they stay juicy. Yes, sir. Hit it with some fresh herbs. And then that's it, really. You're done. Put them scallops to the side, right? Oh, we have my little razzle-dazzle in there. You know how to do my little thing, right? Now, it's time to brown up these sausages, these andouille sausages. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, my God. I just lost 2 sausages. I was so mad, but it's all good. My dog ate that. You know what I'm saying? Look, that one tried to escape, but it wasn't doing it. No, sir, not today. I put them sausages to the side, them chopped up glizzies, your andouilles, put them to the side, put them to the side, right? Now, let's get this shrimp popping, baby. Let's get it popping. Make sure that pan is hot. Keep all of the same flavor on that pan. You feel me? From the scallops. You want to just mix everything in, right? Because look what we about to use for the shrimp, right? You don't even got to put no seasonings or nothing on it. I got that Cajun drip from Louisiana. Oh, my goodness, man. Listen, this Cajun drip right here is all you need. Hit that with some butter. Toss. And oh, my goodness. Set that to the side. Set that to the side. Now we're going to make our butter sauce, you heard? So our butter sauce is going to consist of a lot of butter. Damn near a lot of butter. As much butter as you can get. Then you want to get some fresh garlic. Press in, squeeze in with that garlic. Fresh garlic. A lot of garlic. A lot of garlic and a lot of butter. These are the 2 ingredients you do not need to measure, okay? Just go in whatever your heart allows you to do. And whatever it tells you to do, just do it. Because the butter and the garlic is like heaven, baby. Heaven. Now, we're going to do our crab legs. Not for too long, 5 to 6 minutes on the crab legs, right? And then we want to throw our lobsters in the same pan that we had them shrimps in. You feel me? Don't take none of that good flavor out. You see all that flavor on the bottom? We need all that flavor there, Tony. Yeah, all that flavor there. Yeah, baby, you see it. Them 3 things looking like the 3 musketeers. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Now we're just going to plate everything up. Broccoli, we got the corn, we got it all. We got the andouille sausage, we got the boiled eggs. Goodness gracious. Y'all assemble it how y'all want to assemble it. But me, I just started throwing things however I threw them in there. And I was praying that I was going to get a pretty picture at the end. You feel me? But y'all see what I'm doing, man. I'm just putting everything how I want to put it, making it look presentable for y'all. Because, you know, y'all like that bougie style fancy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like when I do my little razzle dazzle thing, dog, shizzle, dizzle, rizzle. I feel you. So this is what I'm trying to do for y'all, right? Y'all see that? Oh, my goodness. Nice and brown like me. Goodness gracious. Oh, wait. But y'all done. Now y'all know how to make a seafood boil. This was quick and easy, like I said. I just taught you step by step. If you got any questions, make sure you leave those in the comments. I need to know how y'all feel about this, all right? How y'all feel about this right here? You know what I'm saying? Y'all love that seafood boil. You know what I'm saying? Every time I make it, y'all go crazy, you feel me? I switched it up a little this time, so I want to see what's your opinion. And is this one better than the last 5 I did? I don't know. Because the last 5 I did, they all went viral. So is this one going to go viral? I don't know. I really don't care. But look, if you want more long form content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube, Chef Flacco. Follow, like, share, get the word out. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, anywhere, Stockbridge, McDonough, anywhere along those lines of the area, I will be delivering to your front door. Like, it's on deck. Everything is on deck. My soul food BBQ spot will be launching soon, y'all. I will be having a grand opening, so I'll keep y'all informed. But y'all see what's going on here. I just want to thank all y'all for the support. Now you know how to make a seafood boil. You go make it. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. I'm out.